Most plants don't die from neglect, they die from how they're watered. Rainwater, tap water, groundwater, and irrigation water are chemically different, and the way water is collected, stored, and delivered directly determines a plant's nutritional state. It's critical that you understand the chemistry so you can choose the right water for the plants you are growing. Most water contains some form of contaminants. Some plants love alkaline conditions, while others love slightly acidic conditions. When a plant looks deficient, the first thing we do is add water. Stale water from rain roof and barrel systems has no minerals. Our lack of understanding of water is killing our plants. Water has chemicals in it, and it can be extremely corrosive. Just take a look at your growing containers. The acids produced cause them to become brittle, decay, and leach chemicals into the plant's environment. Plants need oxygen, balanced minerals, and thriving microbes. Stop drowning in acidified, low-nutrient water. Understand the science of watering. Change how you water. Change everything for your plants. The Science of Watering Plants is a practical and technical guide for watering science, microbes, chemistry, and hydroponic and aquaponic systems. Understanding the science of watering will show you how to increase your yield by understanding your plant's environment. The Science of Watering Plants, authored by Daryl Addison, an internationally recognized expert in containerized growing systems, reveals how modern water sources introduce hidden pollutants into the root zone and food supply. This $20 purchase delivers practical, science-based insight into identifying these contaminants and preventing them from entering the plants you grow and the food you consume. While in the TikTok store, pick up a copy of Soil Transformed, a comprehensive guide on restoring life, microbes, and food flavor above the chemical layers in the soil.